Hi guys, I'm Jack Brunskill, and this is my 2015 bike check. So starting from the top, I've got ODI grips. They're not the super soft, they're just the normal ones stretched out. And then for my bars, I've got Odyssey Par Ends. They're from my old Griswold grips. The bars, I've got Sunday Tall T bars. They're the same as my last bike check. They're pretty strong, I like them. They have warts, which kind of get nasty. I've got an S&M Redneck XLT stem flipped upside down. That's also the same as my last bike. It's a good stem, but you know. I've got a Sunday headset, vintage one. Fiend Embryo forks in mint, 32mm offset. I've got Tioga StreetBlock tires, 2.25 in the front, with a Primo balanced rim, Primo spokes, and a Primo hub. For the frame, I have the Total BMX Killabee in apple silver 20.7 top tube. I've got a Pivitol seat with an FBM seat post cut down. I've got Odyssey twisted PC pedals with Primo Hollowbite V1 cranks. They're really strong. I've had them for ages. I really would recommend them. I've got a new Odyssey bottom bracket, which is absolute crap, and I hate it. Do not buy this bottom bracket. Fly 25 tooth sprocket with a shadow interlock chain. Another Tioga StreetBlock tire, 1.95. Primo bound trim and chrome. Primo 14 gauge spokes, and a Primo mix hub. So that's my bike check. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.